Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the multiple choice question answer session. From the last few episodes, we are covering important multiple choice question answers on different topics. In this episode, we'll see some important question answer on the data structure and algorithm topics. If you want more video on multiple choice question answers, please let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for updates and share with your friends. So let's start. The first question is, what is the advantage of a hash table as a data structure? Option A, easy to implement. Option B, faster access of data. Option C, exhibit good locality of reference. Option D, very efficient for less number of entries. And the correct answer is option B, faster access of data. Which is the most appropriate data structure for reversing a word? Option A, graph. Option B, tree. Option C, queue. Option D, stack. And the correct answer is option D, stack. The optimal data structure used to solve Tower of Hanoi is option A, tree. Option B, heap. Option C, stack. Option D, priority queue. The correct answer is option C, stack. Which of the following is also known as rope data structure? Option A, linked list. Option B, array. Option C, string. Option D, chord. The correct answer is option D, chord. Which of the following statement about stack data structure is not correct? Option A, stack is the FIFO data structure. Option B, top of the stack always contains the new node. Option C, linked lists are used for implementing stacks. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, stack is the FIFO data structure. Which of the following tree data structures is not a balanced binary tree? Option A, split tree. Option B, red-black tree. Option C, ABL tree. Option D, B tree. The correct answer is option D, B tree. What is a bit array? Option A, data structure for representing arrays of record. Option B, array in which elements are not present in continuous location. Option C, data structure that compactly stores bits. Option D, an array in which most of the elements have the same value. And the correct answer is option C, data structure that compactly stores bits. Which algorithm is used in the top tree data structure? Option A, greedy. Option B, backtracking. Option C, branch. Option D, divide and conquer. The correct answer is option D, divide and conquer. What is an ABL tree? Option A tree which is unbalanced and is a height balanced tree. Option B, a tree which is balanced and is a height balanced tree. Option C, a tree with at most 3 children. Option D, a tree with 3 children. And the correct answer is option B, a tree which is balanced and is a height balanced tree. The data structure required for breadth first traversal on the graph is option A, array. Option B, stack. Option C, queue. Option D, tree. The correct answer is option C, queue. Which of the following data structure can provide efficient sorting of the elements? Option A, 2-3 tree. Option B, binary search tree. Option C, unordered list. Option D, tree. The correct answer is option A, 2-3 tree. What is the number of edges present in a complete graph having n vertices? Option A, n asterisk n plus 1 divided by 2. Option B, n asterisk n minus 1 divided by 2. Option C, n plus 1. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, n asterisk n minus 1 divided by 2. Reducing search space by eliminating irrelevant trees is known as option A, pruning. Option B, partial results. Option C, freeing space. Option D, traversing. The correct answer is option A, pruning. Which of the following is the simplest data structure that supports range searching? Option A, heaps. Option B, binary search trees. Option C, AA trees. Option D, KD trees. The correct answer is option D, KD trees. In a two-dimensional search tree, the root is arbitrarily chosen to be option A, odd. Option B, even. Option C, depends on subtrees. Option D, 1. The correct answer is option A, odd. Which of the following statements for a simple graph is correct? Option A, path and trail have no relation. Option B, every trail is a path as well as every path is a trail. Option C, every path is a trail. Option D, every trail is a path. The correct answer is option C, every path is a trail. A graph with all vertices having equal degree is known as a option A, multigraph. Option B, regular graph. Option C, simple graph. Option D, complete graph. The correct answer is option B, regular graph. What is the time complexity for converting decimal to binary numbers? Option A, O1. Option B, ON. Option C, O log n. Option D, O n log n. The correct answer is option C, O log n. A data structure in which elements can be inserted or deleted at or from both ends but not in the middle is option A, priority queue. Option B, DQ. Option C, circular queue. Option D, queue. The correct answer is option B, DQ. What is the need for a circular queue? Option A, easier computation. Option B, implement LIFO principle in queues. Option C, effective use of memory. Option D, to delete elements based on priority. And the correct answer is option C, effective use of memory. What data structure would you mostly likely see in non-recursive implementation of a recursive algorithm? Option A, stack. Option B, linked list. Option C, tree. Option D, queue. The correct answer is option A, stack. What is a data structure? Option A, programming language. Option B, a type of computer hardware. Option C, a collection of algorithms. Option D, a way to store and organize data. The correct answer is option D, a way to store and organize data. How is a pairing heap represented? Option A, binary tree. Option B, Fibonacci tree. Option C, heap order tree. Option D, tree. And the correct answer is option C, heap order tree. Which data structure is used for implementing recursion? Option A, list. Option B, stack. Option C, array. Option D, queue. And the correct answer is option B, stack. An ABL tree is a self-balancing binary search tree in which the heights of the two child subtrees of any node differ by option A, at least 1, option B, at most 1, option C, 2, option D, at most 2. The correct answer is option B, at most 1. Which data structure is needed to convert infix notation to postfix notation? Option A, tree. Option B, branch. Option C, stack. Option D, queue. The correct answer is option C, stack. That's all for this episode. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.